Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share some mindful beauty hacks that will help you achieve a radiant glow from within. The first beauty hack is to practice mindfulness while you do your skincare routine. Take a moment to connect with your skin, feel the texture of the products, and appreciate the self-care you are giving yourself. Moving on to the second beauty hack, make sure to nourish your body from the inside out. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and get enough sleep. Remember, a healthy body equals healthy skin. And there you have it, beauties. By incorporating mindfulness into your beauty routine and taking care of your body, you can achieve a radiant glow that shines from within. Remember, beauty starts from within. Stay beautiful, inside and out. Hey beauties! Are you looking to take your makeup routine to the next level? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 easy habits that will enhance your makeup routine and help you achieve that flawless look you've always wanted. First and foremost, always start with a clean canvas. Make sure to cleanse and moisturize your skin before applying any makeup to create a smooth base for your products to glide on. Next, invest in quality makeup brushes. Good brushes can make a huge difference in how your makeup applies and blends. Now, let's talk about skincare. Taking care of your skin is essential for a flawless makeup application, so don't skip your skincare routine. And remember to always blend, blend, blend. Blending is key to achieving a seamless and natural makeup look. By incorporating these simple habits into your makeup routine, you'll be on your way to slaying that makeup game. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and have fun with it. Stay fabulous, beauties. Uplifting ending sentence. Let's enhance our beauty, one makeup brush stroke at a time. Kiss mark #makeup goals.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to debunk some myths about skin barrier repair and share the truth about the importance of discipline and consistency in your skincare routine. First of all, let's talk about the myth that using harsh exfoliants will speed up the skin barrier repair process. In reality, overexfoliating can actually damage your skin barrier and lead to more issues like redness and sensitivity. It's important to be gentle with your skin and choose products that support its natural healing process. Now, let's address the misconception that you only need to focus on repairing your skin barrier when it's visibly damaged. The truth is, maintaining a healthy skin barrier should be a priority in your everyday skincare routine. Consistency is key when it comes to keeping your skin barrier strong and resilient. Remember, taking care of your skin is a marathon, not a sprint. By being disciplined and consistent with your skincare routine, you can help support your skin barrier and achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to healthy skin and a happy glow. Sparkling heart.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today I want to share with you 5 daily habits that can help boost your self-confidence and improve your self-image. First and foremost, start each day with positive affirmations. Take a few minutes to look yourself in the mirror and say something kind and uplifting. Remind yourself of your worth and capabilities. Next, practice gratitude. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. This simple act can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a sense of abundance and positivity.
Hey beauties, have you ever wondered if makeup can affect the growth of your natural beauty? Let's bust some myths and find out the truth. First up, the myth that wearing mascara can make your lashes fall out. The truth is that as long as you remove your makeup properly at the end of the day and avoid rubbing your eyes too harshly, wearing mascara can actually protect your lashes from breakage and help them grow stronger. Secondly, the myth that wearing heavy foundation can clog your pores and inhibit the growth of your skin. In reality, using a lightweight, non-comedogenic foundation can actually provide a protective barrier for your skin and allow it to breathe, promoting healthier growth. So, don't be afraid to embrace your makeup routine and let your natural beauty shine through. Remember, makeup can be a tool to enhance your features, not hinder them. Stay beautiful, inside and out. Uplifting ending sentence. Let's debunk those myths and let our natural beauty thrive. Lipstick sparkles.